Peeps, we are back with some exciting news and rumors about what is coming to Verbolten when it opens up later this year. Before we get into the rumors, let's talk a little official news, which is that if you are a Busch Gardens member, the April member gift is a Verbolten Forbidden Turn themed pen. Very cool. I would not actually take it as a sign that Verbolten Forbidden Turn will be opening up in April, but if you're as excited for the ride as we are, you probably want to get your hands on one. We know we do. It's a very cool looking pen and we'll be grabbing one of those. Now let's move into the rumors part of today's discussion. Quick note, this is based on new documents and reporting from the popular rumor website BGWFans. It is not officially confirmed by Busch Gardens yet, but there's a lot of detail and blueprints and stuff in their latest article. So just as a reminder, Verbolten closed in early 2026 after last year's Christmas Town for a major overhaul. Same ride system, same layout, but they're completely reworking the story, theming, and effects into what's now called Forbidden Turn. And based on the rumors we're seeing, this is going to be way more than a basic retheme. Let's start with the first detail, which is that even before you enter the show building, you have your first major experience and overhaul. There's a brand new outdoor scene before the first launch that will feature a massive tentacle-like tree root. And it doesn't just sit there, it appears to come out of the ground, wrap around a piece of the coaster track, bend that track out of the way, and climb into a billboard structure. So visually, it looks like the forest is literally attacking the ride. Now, how much of that's animatronic versus still? Not entirely sure yet, but the visual effect is that this tentacle, this tree root, will have pulled the track away. So as a rider, you'll see the broken track, but you'll still launch forward safely. And speaking of that launch, they're also fixing kind of one of the most awkward parts of the ride, which is the floating bridge before launch 1. Now it's being extended almost all the way to the ground, adding fog and more theming, so instead of looking unfinished, it'll look like a real immersive transition into the Black Forest. We also have some pretty cool stuff coming inside the show building. We now have what appears to be a blueprint featuring a full body animatronic at the drop track. Not a projection, not a shadow, an actual physical character at the ride's biggest moment. And in addition to that, we already have the blueprints that show a giant tree structure inside the building and tons of 3D branches and set pieces. And the old Volkswagen that was featured outside of the ride will actually now be moved inside and lifted into the scenes inside the show building. More than just this giant black building with projections and lights, we're gonna have animatronics, we're gonna have statues, we're gonna have cars, we're gonna have all sorts of cool experiences inside that show building. Almost basically like a hybrid of a dark ride and a roller coaster. So this feels like a huge investment into this roller coaster. We are getting animatronics, physical sets, new outdoor scenes, more rewritability, and an updated queue experience as well. This could be one of the biggest re-themes of a coaster in Busch Gardens history, and we are so psyched about it. We cannot wait to bring more to you, and we will actually have more coming. In addition to a new episode of News from the Queue, our new podcast with Eddie from Edutainment, we will of course be featuring behind the scenes later in April of what's coming to Verbolten Forbidden Turn, and of course the grand opening experience when the ride eventually opens in late spring. Let me know what you think. Are you excited about what's coming to Verbolten Forbidden Turn? Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's enough? I'm really excited about it if you can't tell, but I want to know what you think. Leave us a comment down below with your thoughts, and while you're down there, give us a thumbs up on this video. It lets us know that you want to see more Verbolten Forbidden Turn content, and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you know when we release that content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.